Hi guys, today we're checking out my new toy, Pure Advance scooter. I've been having a blast with this actually, so let's check it out a little bit closer. Pure Advance scooter is a really well made bit of kit. Looks absolutely fantastic. It's got foldable parts, it can carry up to 120k, got forward facing bits to stand on, lights all over it to make it look sexy, and a thumb throttle here you can see. Nice grips. We've also got well constructed parts and a kickstand to make the whole thing pretty mint. It'll take you at 15.5 miles an hour for 25 miles. So you use this button to cycle through the modes. Now at the moment it's on pedestrian mode, so you can see the headlight is blinking, and this will take you a sort of steady walking pace, not much quicker than that. Press it twice to get into normal. You can see the headlight is on. If you want to get rid of that, just press it once, it goes. And this is what I normally keep it on, sport mode. Normal feels a little bit slow, especially when you're on a long straight path. The Pure Advance is a scooter made for adults. It's a fully electric scooter. It says it can do about 26, 28 miles, something like that. But I haven't got anywhere near that. In normal speed it will do about 11 miles an hour. It's not quick. So I normally keep it in sports mode, which will do about 15.5 miles an hour. And you get about half the distance, so expect to get about 12.5 miles with this. There's another setting as well, which is pedestrian mode, which makes it go extremely slow, and the light flashes constantly. It's more like walking pace, and it's like 5 miles an hour or something like that. Kind of wish I got a quicker one. Now in the UK these are not legal on public land. You've got to have permission off the landowner to ride it there. It doesn't really make much sense to me because it's better equipped than an electric bike. So you've got indicators, you've got a front light, you've got a back light. Seems a bit better equipped for the road than a bike does to me, and it's the same speed. I've actually had road cyclists overtaking me on it, so it's not as quick. Got regenerative braking. Don't think it does a whole lot, but there's a drum brake and also a regenerative brake as well. Charge the battery slightly. It all folds down nice and flat, very simply. Then you could just carry it with you then. It's not the lightest thing to carry, but it is doable. This is it as in most compact form, so you can see it goes down a nice small package, easily fits in your car boot or something like that. I feel like it's going to easily get stolen, so I folded it down and taken it in, just taking it indoors with me. You could put it next to you. So I actually bought this myself, didn't get it sent to me. As long as you haven't got massive distance to go, it's perfect. I wouldn't like to try it in the rain either. It says it's sort of showerproof, but electric and rain doesn't really mix, so I'll give that a miss. So you activate the indicators here. One quick tap starts it flashing, lets you know, and it shows on the dial as well. So there it is. Plenty nippy around the corners, as you can see. Just keep an eye out, make sure your dog's still there. And stay off the gravel tracks, unless you want your bones shaken.